for because we've been sitting here talking all this.
I know.
And
Today my journey continues across the Golden State. It's been unbelievably nice. It's crowd helping them save hundreds on costs.
I can't quite feel this thing on my head anymore. It's too
I
low.
forgot sunglasses on.